Hi, I'm Christoph. I'm the head behind Alternative Engineering. Today is a special day for me. I'm introducing the brand new RS4.0. It has plenty of optimizations and improvements over earlier alternative engineering models. And to showcase its power, I went to the Bobsleigh in Innsbruck-Igels, and I'm very keen to show you the footage. Welcome back. Now I want to show you some improvements and the overall features of my newest creation. First of all, let's talk about the engine. The new engine provides 30% more power than the old one, which makes about 150 watts. To give you an idea how powerful that is, it's approximately 30 times more power than a standard XL motor. Another big improvement comes from the suspension. The suspension travel was increased to 24 mm, which allowed me to make a softer setup. This improvement results in better handling on rough terrain. And there is more in the suspension. We are now driving with 8 shock absorbers to provide a more even distribution of the shock load. The complexest feature added in the RS4.0 is the addition of a middle differential. The mid differential has a massive impact on the handling of the vehicle. The difficulty during the design process was the fact that 100% of the engine power is running over the middle differential, whereas on the front and the rear differential is only 50% of the power. My solution was to power the middle differential from both sides. The chassis was completely redesigned to make it much more sturdier and stiffer. In comparison to my other cars, it's just like a tank. The front end and the steering of the car was completely redesigned to improve the handling even more. I hope you liked the small overview of my newest car. If you want to learn more about my cars or want to build one by yourself, visit my website. The link is down below in the description. I'm leaving you now with some driving and drifting scenes.